excellent work in here. As you see, it's fully fucking gutted. Oh, so I'm here with the fam. Gary, Eric, we got everybody with us. We're about to see if the wide body kit still fits after a lot of metal work done by these guys right here. The fam. Oh, Harry's back here grabbing headlights. It's like Christmas. We all like Christmas. So we all, you know, I come here. It's not Christmas, but it's like Christmas, and I'm with love people. So, you know, I say this to fam, don't fuck around. You know where I go. Don't fucking DM me about bringing my car to your shop, because it's not fucking coming. You know the car comes here, this is home base, so don't do that. And yes, I do get several DMs asking if I will bring the car to the shop, and that's not fucking happening. The car stays here. APP. For paint, that's all open. We're wide open for paint guys. So if you got a paint guy, you let me know. But as far as everything else, the shit, this is where we at. So we're gonna be opening the kit. Here's the car right here. Trying to see if the wide body kit fits after some of the work is done. They've done some excellent work in here. As you see, it's fully fucking gutted. It's work here, still doing some work in here. Now we're gonna try the headlights, see what holes we can plug up right there. So there's a lot of things going on right here. A lot of things going on with this project. I'm not worried about being first. I'm worried about being complete to my level. And I have thought about getting rid of the car for my dream car, which is a 1964 SS Impala, but I might finish this one out, so we'll see. All right, so we got the kit out. And I'm gonna tell you right now, it's not real Varish. You won't have your labels on it. Yeah. Handmade right there, baby.
Waiting on you had some custom ones.
Yeah, I got some custom ones.
Crazy. Oh, come on, baby, fit.
So actually, let's. All right, so we got the rear kit on, rear with the bumper, so all holes still line up. All right, and that is definitely attributed to the guys right here that made sure when they fucking put the welder to metal that they didn't overheat it. So nothing has changed location, which was the biggest concern, I think, for all of us. I think all of us was concerned like heat wasn't gonna change the mounting points, and it didn't. So now we're getting ready to remove everything and then figure out how this is gonna go to the next step. Already put the lights in, so now they know what holes they're gonna fill up here. And this support, this shit was a headache for them, I know, so they came up with something with that. So now this looks good. Here, we definitely clean that up, right? Definitely trying to do more functional than all shade. We want it clean, but we want the shit still functional. So that's a very big thing for me. I'm not worried about fucking totally blasting out custom. I want this shit, if it breaks down or something needs to be fixed, it doesn't take them fucking eons to trace something down or pull something out or have to take a bunch of shit off to get to this shit. The car still needs to be functional. Still gonna figure out all this underspray. If I'm just gonna undercoat and be good, which I'm thinking about undercoating and being good, but if I'm not, that will be for the painter to handle, plus the bags going back on, seeing how that's going to work. Still thinking about getting a bag guy, and they're gonna clean some other things up in here. The light situation, the lights actually do fit with the bumper on, so evidently I didn't, and Harry checked back over my shit and I didn't fuck that up too bad, so mounting looks good for the lights, which is the first time I actually seen a light in that fucking bumper since the wide body process going on, so that was kind of a relief right there to see too. And then it's just, hopefully there's going to be a few more slow spots in here, right? Paint is another slow spot, then it comes back from paint, and then we're going to hit another slow spot. And then from there it'll ramp up, and then when I get it back to the house, there's gonna be another slow spot because there's a shit ton of things for me to do. You know, the interior is completely fucking gutted. All right, so I gotta get all that shit back in. All that shit's gotta go back in. I still got an entirely new brake line system that replaces all the hard lines. So all the hard lines for the brake system are fucking coming out of there. Nothing, matter of fact, nothing old for the brake system is gonna be in there. Everything is gonna be updated and new for the entire brake system. I'm talking about even the fucking mechanical handbrake won't be in there. That's fucking updated and brand fucking new. So, and there's some other things that they're working on for me that might change in this car, and that shit might be fucking crazy. So y'all stay tuned. APP working this shit out as always. The home base for the Teggy. Check out the YouTube channel, hit subscribe, hit like. This is all you need to fucking see. We're done. We're gonna talk personal shit outside of this, which you motherfuckers are not privy to. And we'll get with y'all. All right. Thanks for tuning in and watching another video here at Wolfpack Performance. Check out some of my other content on Formula One issues, our topics, and our DIY products on how to customize your vehicle. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. See you soon.